at the Blue Eagle Gym where we're at to watch the De La Salle Green Archers going up against the UP Fighting Maroons. I'm Curious George, and as promised, we're giving you an all-access pass to everything that happens inside this gym. Come with me. Sige, ito pa yung taho. Maraming ano to? Arnibal. Bobby? Bobby yan? Bobby, Bobby! Yes!
Nakikita ko naman okay naman yung Lasal eh. So masaya akong nakikita sila na okay. Especially yung last game against Ateneo, tinambakan talaga nila.
Alright, Jerwin Gago, former De La Salle Green Archer. Jerwin, graduate ka na. So, kumusta naman life mo ngayon na wala ka na sa...
Siyempre, una nakakamiss. 2 years na ako naglaro sa UAP. Gusto ko nga sana kung mayroon pang isang 1 year pa, maglalaro pa ako eh.
Sino cute? Sa tingin mo? Crush mo?
Well, actually, nobody in the team eh. But if it's the last year's team, it will be idol ko si Jerwin Gago.
Jerwin Gago? I just
Yes.
saw his friend show.
Yeah, I saw Jerwin, and we're good friends.